Welcome to this tutorial on understanding Axie Infinity Axie stats explanation. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players collect and battle creatures known as Axies. To succeed in the game, it is crucial to comprehend the stats that define each Axie. First, let's break down the 6 primary stats in Axie Infinity: health, morale, skill, speed, attack, and defense. Each stat plays a significant role in determining an Axie's performance in battles. Health represents the amount of damage an Axie can withstand before being knocked out. Morale affects an Axie's ability to land critical hits and its overall performance in battles. Skill influences the effectiveness of an Axie's skills and cards. Speed determines the order of turns in battles, with faster Axies taking their turns before slower ones. Attack and defense are self-explanatory, with attack dealing damage to opponents and defense reducing damage taken from opponents. Now, let's discuss how these stats are calculated. Each stat is determined by a combination of an Axie's body parts, with different parts providing different stat boosts. For example, an Axie's mouth, horn, and back all contribute to its attack stat. Understanding how these body parts interact with each other is vital to building a strong Axie. To illustrate this, consider an Axie with a high attack stat but low defense. This Axie would be well suited for dealing damage but may struggle to withstand attacks from opponents. On the other hand, an Axie with high defense but low attack would be more durable but less effective at dealing damage. Best practices for building a strong Axie include balancing its stats to fit your preferred playstyle, selecting body parts that complement each other, and considering the strengths and weaknesses of your opponents. By following these guidelines and understanding how Axie stats work, you can create a formidable team and succeed in Axie Infinity. In conclusion, Axie Infinity Axie stats explanation is a complex but crucial aspect of the game. By grasping the 6 primary stats, understanding how they are calculated, and applying best practices, you can gain a competitive edge and enhance your overall gaming experience.